If you look carefully, Kevin just punctured my bunghole.
Goodness.
I keep getting a lot of questions about these and the next drop. We do have a ton of 5.3 water bottles, but let me tell you guys what. We haven't had a big drop in a while. We've got a hoodie that's so dope. We got a really high quality shirt, like the best quality shirt we've ever had, and it's got an embroidered logo on it. It's really cool. We got a dad hat, which is really dope. It's a little bit different design than we've done before. And then we've also got a new jogger design. If you guys don't know, 5.3 Supply is our company. We wanted to start a company that made a difference in something that mattered to us. So you guys, through your sales, you actually help people that struggle with anxiety and depression, and you help people get counseling. But I wanted to let you guys know, we did a huge drop in October, and if we sell out this time, I have a huge incentive for you guys. So my calendar's mid-October-ish. I don't want to sell out, because I got something cool for you. Clutch, it's time for something fun today. I'll see you later, sweet boy. Oh, Dad, that feels real good. Oh, yep. All right. That's the spot. Wow, you have a lot of stuff in here now. Yeah. How's it going, man? You guys check out, I didn't get to show you guys the full straight pipe on that video that I made the other day, but it's completely finished now. It looks so tight. Dude, I love the shine. The shine is so pretty. Can't wait to bang it up at the track.
I know, it's so pretty. I don't want to.
I know, it's definitely gonna go bye-bye. So we're gonna take that off today. I'm gonna wrap the downpipe, and then we gotta weld a bung into it for an air to fuel gauge. And speaking of gauges, I had Kevin mock this up for me. I'm gonna end up spraying it black, most likely. Well, we'll see how it looks in the car. AFR, boost, I'll probably do oil pressure, and then probably water temp. For right now, I only have 2 gauges, and that's okay. Those are basically the 2 main gauges that I really need. Susie, hey, it looks like the flag that's in my garage.
It does.
Custom Susie exhaust. This is my downpipe, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this with some header wrap. So we're kind of doing some heat management today as well. Depending on how much wrap I have left over, I might end up going and wrapping a little bit of this mid pipe as well, about to that flex pipe-ish area, just to save some heat from the passenger side. PTP Turbo Blankets also gave us a turbo blanket for this. Don't need to put that on just yet because the turbo is going to be on and off. I'm still going to end up wrapping the manifold, but I'm not sure when exactly I'm going to do that yet. I'm just going to keep the manifold on for a little while, but it's going to end up having to come off and back on anyways eventually, so not worried about that today. It's going to take forever. And then we're going to try and get this figured out. Now that that's mocked up, we're going to get that figured out, set in there, and maybe try and run some of the gauges today. If you look carefully, Kevin just punctured my bunghole.
Goodness.
This is the bung. This is my bunghole. It's for my bung. I'm getting real hyped about this. It's gonna be so sick. Oh, that looks so tight. Here you go, here's your blanket, sir.
Yeah, I went home and changed shorts because somebody made the comment about me always having the best shorts.
You had the beach shorts on the other day, dude.
Oh,
they were
yeah.
balling.
Yeah, you like even zoomed in.
Oh, yeah.
You whisper, you're like, okay.
I actually definitely think I might keep it white. I thought I was gonna go black. It's time for your inspection, miss. I'm the doctor now.
I don't know what to say to that.
We're gonna go ahead and get started on wrapping the downpipe. It should be pretty simple. I do have to avoid the bunghole at all costs, but other than that, it should be pretty easy. So a huge shout out to PTP Turbo Blankets for giving me this giant needle that I might poke myself in the eye with. They supplied all the heat wrap, and I'm excited to be able to use it today.
Okay, idea. Christmas is coming. You should wrap your presents with this ribbon.
This is fiberglass.
Wrap it very
idea.
carefully.
No. ahead and kiss it. That's dumb. That's dumb, kids. Oh yeah. That was a little bit of fun. That was some good practice for the very difficult manifold that's coming up. So I do want to make clear, PTP says that you do not have to wet. This product is really good. You shouldn't have to wet it, but I prefer to because it does make it a little bit easier. So I do want to give a big shout out to PTP for sending us this stuff. They have all that stuff that we're going to use for the manifold and for other exhausts if we need to, and we also have the turbo blankets as well. But that's going to look really sick. It's going to it's going to keep engine temps down. They say that it's supposed to give you, a couple more horsepower numbers because it keeps the engine cooler. So we'll see about that. Now let's move back to the interior. This is going to be dope. Like I told you guys, I wanted to finish out the inside of it all the way. Kevin's making dreams come true over here. I'm so excited to see this. You did. That's pretty damn cool. Oh, yeah. Brother, that is so sick. Just give me a nice little... That is so cool. Babe, you see this? Isn't that so sweet?
Yeah.
That's tight because, like, someday I could do, like, switches and stuff. Either up here, I can have, like, switches and stuff down here, all through here. Start the car through here or something. That leaves a lot of opportunity. Lots of possibilities. That's really cool. But for now, it'll just be a nice flat plate that just fills in the ugly gap that is all over this mess. Got a little bendy. I didn't feel like getting up, so I just sat in here the whole time. And it's got a nice little bend here. Oh, it's so cool, dude. I dig it so much. Nice.
Love it.
This is really cool. This is really cool. Like I'm kind of psyched. I'm psyched right now. So air to fuel and boost for now, and then I'll have a couple gauges later. Like I said, I really wanted to just fill the dash out without doing too much, but it kind of really it makes it feel so much more complete in here. I was thinking about keeping it white, but I did think, one, at the track, white is going to be really reflective and bright, and two, I have to think about the exposure when I'm filming. When I'm filming, that might mess with the exposure of my cameras, because it kind of starts focusing on the inside and might make everything really bright, or even way too dark on the outside. So as you see, it just kind of changed by itself. It changed the ISO. So I'm stoked about it. We're going to go ahead and prime it all the way. I like the metal look, but that's very shiny. And the last thing I want going 100 miles an hour into a turn is sun in my eyeballs. It's cool though, dude. That is so tight. Good. Where are the two gauges at? Will you just slap me the two gauges and I'll just pop them right in there just to... Got the booster gauge going in right there. AFRs. Right there. That's not good. I gotta take it out on. 3, 2, 1, reveal. There it is.
It's finally starting to come together.
After years.
Yeah. Hey, next month will be 2 years of owning it?
Yeah, I bought this car
October?
The very end of October in 2016.
That's insane.
And fun fact, I've wanted this car for such a long time because of my dream car has always been a Supra. So this car was the closest thing that like resembled a Supra that I could afford at the time. And so now we've kind of made it into what a Supra would be. And now we might actually be buying a Supra. So that's fun. Life is wild. Thank you guys for giving me a crazy life. But also, thank you, Kevin, for giving me a cool interior, bruh. This is lit.
This is dank interior.
Okay. I'm not going to wire it until the car's tuned because Johnny has done all the wiring in this car and I don't feel like figuring it out. Usually you tap into a cigarette lighter, but I think he's been going to the ignition. So I'm probably going to have him make me another source. So Johnny, if you're watching this, I love you, but...
We're headed your way.
I'm headed your way after this. We're going to go ahead and just send it and cut these. Actually, wait. Oh, that's bolted to it. No, we're good. I'm going to send it and just chop this off. And it'll make a nice bit of room here. So we'll tuck all the wires up.
There you go.
There we go. Room. Okay, now that we got a lot done on the interior and we got a lot done with the exhaust today, I'm stoked about it, but I'm hot. I'm aiming for the next time you see the car, it's gonna be done. It should be completely done. Like the exhaust The exhaust is going to be on, the intake should be done, the intercooler piping should be done, the wastegate should be done, everything should be finished next time we come. Next time we come up here, my goal is to be picking up the car and taking it to go get tuned, even though we are still waiting on getting a standalone. But I cannot wait. I love this car. I can't wait to see where it goes, and I love the fact that we finally have a decent interior, because my dumb butt took everything out of it. Well, now it's back to dumb, but you know, you get the point. We just got home and we got a really sick package. I'm excited for you guys to see it. Y'all will see it tomorrow. We've been waiting on this for a very long time. Very long time. Oh, it's here. Hi, bud. Hi, I got fiberglass on me, so chill. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Peace out and be victorious.